to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a mini vacation to San Diego. I hope you like it.
We started our journey very early in the morning. The weather was perfect. Let me tell you, we arrived to enjoy a delicious pastry with an amazing coffee in San Diego. The place is called Isola. I recommend this place. The pastries were just amazing and delicious. That's what we had for breakfast. And then we started our journey to see everything in the pier, walk, enjoy everything with my beautiful family. We arrived and we started taking pictures. We started walking around. It was just such a beautiful place. I really enjoyed it. And I wanted to share with you, if you have the opportunity to go to San Diego and enjoy it with your beautiful family, do that. You only live once. And let's live until the fullest. So I started going into the little shops, started recording beautiful things. And the day went, oh my God, so fast. When you enjoy your family and you enjoy where you're at, the day goes flying. Of course, we enjoyed many little candies. We enjoyed all those different flavors of chocolates. Remember, when you're on vacation, you're not thinking about a diet. You want to enjoy the moment. And that's exactly what I do. When I'm on a mini vacation, I really enjoy the moment. We arrived to all these beautiful stores. Of course, I had to taste this high spices. You know, I love high spices. And I really enjoyed the peaceful feeling of being near the ocean. Seeing everything up close was so relaxing. And like I said, the weather was perfect. It was not too hot. It was not too cold. It was just perfect. And of course, you know that I love tasting different type of foods. I love enjoying my Mexican food. I started seeing these socks and I said Taco Tuesday. I saw all my socks with Doritos, with chocolates. Just amazing. Let me tell you, I really enjoyed this trip. It was a whole day with all my family, walking, talking, enjoying the time. And here, of course, I had to stop to this beautiful restaurant where they had my favorite food. And I'm going to show you what I had for lunch. This was delicious. This was amazing. And the view from the restaurant was just perfect. You could see the view from the inside of the restaurant. Look at this. You could really enjoy. I went to this amazing restaurant called Cocina 35, which I recommend for you to go, for you to see, for you to enjoy everything that they have. They specialized in chilaquiles. Of course, you know me, I had to taste almost everything. And I really enjoyed the spiciness of the chilaquiles. Well, here, let me show you everything we did. We went down a little tunnel. Maybe it was like 200 steps to get to this part where you could see the ocean. You could feel all that breeze coming in through that hole. The moment was so special. Look at this. The breeze coming in from this hole was just amazing. I wish you guys were here to feel that peacefulness, to feel that environment. That's why I invite you. Go to San Diego. Make it a day. Enjoy your whole day. Walking through all the coast trails and enjoying everything. Of course, I had to go to the Balboa Park. I had to see everything in there. And here's the menu of Cocina 35 I was talking to you about. The inside is so girly. The coffee, café de olla, was amazing. And the dishes, well, what can I tell you? They were delicious. The flavor of the chilaquiles and the meat, they were slow cooked. Let me tell you, go and enjoy this place. I'm sure you're going to love it. And the view was just perfect. You could see from the inside of the restaurant out to the ocean. Just make sure that you have reservations. And of course, I have to go into the seal, go to the ocean. But the best part is that I saw my favorite fruit, the passion fruit. Look at this, right outside. I took a picture of this beautiful dog. We were going to go into this cathedral, but it was closed. We ended up going to Santa Monica Pier. And all this happened in one day. I was exhausted, I was tired, but I enjoyed this beautiful place. And of course, for dinner, we had something so light, so delicious. And I'm going to show you what we had for dinner in Pete's restaurant and sandwich place that I know you guys are really going to love. Here in Santa Monica, there was a lot of people. There was a lot of things to do, a lot of music. It was just amazing. Of course, my family, like I said, the day was perfect because I didn't even get sunburned. We had dinner at Pete's Seafood and Salad. I had a lobster roll with coleslaw, fries. Of course, our side dishes, they were just amazing. If you liked and loved this mini vacation, I invite you, go to San Diego, enjoy your beautiful family. Remember, you only live once.
If you liked and loved this mini vacation in San Diego, like, subscribe, and share, and see you soon. Bye-bye.